So ito yung ating income tax computation. Actually, madali lang yung computation ng BMBE because yun nga yung income tax rate natin is zero. Hindi na natin kailangan gamitin yung graduated tax table. So ito, quick discussion. Gross sales natin, for example, 1 million, 1 million natin gross sales. Sales returns, allowances, and discounts if ever you have. In most cases, if Shopee, Lazada, or TikTok kayo, may mga sales returns, allowances, and discounts kayo. But in our example, si Monkey D. Luffy, wala tayong sales returns, allowances, and discounts. And that would give us 1 million less the sales returns. That will give us the net sales. Still 1 million. And then less natin yung cost of sales nyo. So kung magkano ba yung cost of goods sold niyo or magkano yung puhunan niyo if you are selling, for example, mga t-shirts, ayan, or buy and sell kayo, magkano niyo ba nabili yung binebenta ninyo. So that is your cost of sales. So in our example, yung nabenta ni yung cost of goods sold or cost of sales ni Monkey D. Luffy is 200,000. So net sales 1 million minus the cost of sales of 200,000, that will give us a gross income of 800,000. So, may ilaless pa tayo yung mga ordinary allowable itemized deductions. So, ito yung mga expenses ng ating business. So, ito yung may mga valid invoices. Ayan, for example, mga repairs and maintenance. Ayan, mga rental, mga office supplies. Yan yung mga ordinary allowable itemized deductions. Yung nakaganda sa 1701-MS, actually, hindi nyo na kailangan i-breakdown yung inyong mga expenses, hindi kagaya dun sa 1701 na version 2018 na iisa-isahin nyo yung magkano yung rental ninyo, magkano yung salaries. But in 1701-MS, ayan, nakalump na lang siya, iisang line item na lang, the ordinary allowable itemized deduction. So for example, yung ordinary natin, allowable itemized deduction is 200,000. So, gross income, 800,000 less the allowable itemized deduction, 200,000. That would give us the net income of 600,000. So, yung nakaganda sa BMB, again, yung tax rate natin is exempt or 0% lang. So, 600,000, ayan, multiply ng tax rate natin na 0, that will give us, magkano? It's still 0. So, 600,000 multiplied by 0% is 0. So, 0 yung ating income tax due.